Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Calendar. Google.com and signing into the account you want to modify. Make sure you're on the right profile, otherwise events won't appear where you expect. Once signed in, check Mobile Sync if you'll use a phone, go to Account Settings and enable Calendar. Decide quickly which path you need, add an existing calendar, subscribe to someone else's, or create a new calendar for separation. Now click the plus next to other calendars to begin. Next, you choose how to add the calendar. Click the plus next to other calendars and pick Subscribe, Create, or Import. If you subscribe, type the calendar's email or search the directory and set visibility and notifications. This links their feed to yours. If you create a calendar, name it clearly, set a time zone, and add a description so it's discoverable. If you have Ike's files, use Settings Import to upload events directly. Make deliberate permission choices to finally tidy up and confirm everything works. Assign a color and set default notifications so events don't get missed. Adjust sharing permissions for collaborators. Once done, refresh the web page and check Mobile Sync. Sometimes you must force sync or clear the calendar app cache. If a calendar still doesn't show, re-add the account, confirm you have viewing rights, and ensure the calendar isn't hidden in the list. If problems persist, temporarily remove and resubscribe to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.